Hello guys, this is Bruce Rockers, and today I'm going to show you how to code a website using HTML, and we're going to be using a program called Aptana, or you can use Note, I think, no, Notepad, yeah, or I think it's called something like that, Notepad or something, plus or something like that. Anyway, or you can use Aptana Studio 3 or 2 or whatever version, but yeah. So this is this is recommended, this app. It's actually way easier to go with, and I'll show you in a second why. And it's better than like all the other things. So anyways, I'll put the download link in the description. So let's get started. Open up Aptana Studio and let's just wait for it. Okay, there it's starting up. So it's gonna tell you workspace. So this is all your saves. This is where it's gonna save all your projects. So user, and then yeah, that's my name, and then documents. Or you can change it if you want, but it's better if you just keep it there. Okay, because it's easier to find. But if you wanna like put it in your own folder in the desktop or something, you can do that. It's fine, up to you. So now it's loading in there. Okay. You can see it down there when it's fully green. Yeah, now it's gonna work. Okay. So sorry guys, we haven't uploaded videos in a while and tutorials. My laptop broke, but now yeah, we're all good. So anyway, this is what an HTML code is. The basics of the HTML is a DOCTYPE, then the HTML header, title, and then body, and then H1 is header 1, header 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and header 1 is the biggest, and then it goes to header 2, which is smaller, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, it goes on. And then there's a paragraph. It's the like corner bracket thingy, and then P, and then another one from the other side, like this and that. And then it's P, and then the end. So the main is an HTML, and it's open. This is an open HTML, and this is a closed HTML. So you have to do the open and close HTML. So what happens is this is like the website. You always have to do the HTML there. Okay, so I'll just get started and show you. So first you're gonna do File, New. Okay, and then we're gonna do a web project. Okay, because we're making a website here, and then just do the default project, and then next, and then project name. You have to start with no, you can call it anything at the beginning, so let's just call it tutorial, and then use default location. Okay, and then finish. And now we're gonna go on tutorial. Okay, so let's open it, and there's nothing. So you right click on here and you go to new, and then choose file. And now every time your home page, you have to make it index.htm, not HTML, HTM, index.htm, and then you finish it. But you can change like the web page name, like I'll show you soon. So okay, so what you do now, this is why this is easier. You go like this, and then you go HTML, and then it opens it and does the opening and closing. But for Notepad and that, you have to write this HTML. You have to go HTML, and then close it, and then you have to write this again. So this is why it's cooler. So now just leave that space, and now here you have to add your header. Header or head? What? Give me a second, guys. I forgot the steps. Okay, index. Like you can see, it's a head and then title. Yeah. Okay, so head, and then press, go between the two, and go like that. And now you do the title. Okay, so now add your title in here, and what the title is this is what the title is. That's the title up here. Like I say, Small World's Fruit Studio. That's the title. So now we're gonna make the title. Let's do it. Coding tutorial for beginners. Okay, beginners. Okay, so now just go to the next, and now here is the body. The body is actually the most important part, so don't forget to have the body. Okay, wait, we forgot something. We need the doc type. Like I said, the most important is the doc type, so I'm gonna put the doc type up in the description, so you just okay, let's get it. And then now we're gonna go down to index and paste it in, and it's all good. So DOCTYPE, yeah, like I said, I'll put it down in the description. Okay, so the body, there's now, I'm gonna show everything. Header 1. Okay, we're gonna write hello. No. Okay, hello. And by the way, no matter where you put your HTML code, like if it's gonna be like hello and like that, and then like wait, enter, and like make a new line like bro. Let's say hello bro, hello bro. Okay. If you do that, it's actually still gonna be next to each other. Like I'll show you in a second. We're gonna do index HTML. Let's save it. Now it's gonna open Firefox and show you what your web page looks like. Like you see, I have enter here, but it's not gonna do like separate lines like that. It's gonna show like it's right next to each other. But there's a way to separate it, but I'll show you that in our next tutorial. Because this is only for beginners. We don't want it to be too complicated. So anyway, it's gonna show up in a second. And look, it's right next to each other. It's not like one here and then one here. Like hello bro. It's hello bro. Okay. So anyway, and now we're gonna So yeah, we don't need that. Okay. Hello bro. Okay, so hello bro. Okay, and then let's do the H2. Okay, what H2? Okay, now here we can write something. Anything is right. Anything. It's not that important. And I can go to H3, 4, 5 until 6. Like H, you can see here H1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah. Okay. So but now we're gonna do the paragraph. Okay, so a paragraph is just a paragraph, and let's go like hello world, I am Apple Diary. Okay, so that's it. And now okay, let's just so this is the end for so far. Okay, this is what we have so far, but now you want to add, it's going to be like a very boring page, and you want to add colors in that to the text. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to put this in the description as well. Okay, so you go let's get it. So link, release, and that. Okay, it's not necessary for you to remember this, but if you want to and be a nerd, you can. But you can always get it from websites, and that it's way easier. So it's index, like you see I have an index over here, so this goes below the title in the header. Okay, index. Okay, let's close this. So this is the title, and now we're gonna come down here and add this. So it's link, and then real, and we're gonna style as a style sheet, type text / class in iref.css. Okay, so now we can change this file to whatever we want. Like let's just make it test.css, and now what's gonna happen is you're gonna do commands, and then you're gonna choose the CSS. Okay, but no, or you can come over here and just go like this, new file, and just call it whatever you put here. Like I want test.css, so it's test.css. Okay, now we're gonna do finish, and now it's gonna do the CSS. And what CSS does is it's the colors. Like you can do body, and then you have to add this bracket thingy, and then you have to do like background color. Okay, background color, and then we're gonna make it black. No, let's make it red. or blue, and then you have to add this like that, okay? And you can do like the H1 and then color. What? Okay, so color, and then we're gonna make it red, like that. And you can do like for H2, like H2 color, H2 paragraph. You'll get the header and like the title. No, it's not really important, but now look, this is not. I don't think this is working, so let's do this again. Background color. Yep, now it's working because it's blue. And then we're just gonna go like that. Blue, and like that, and close it. Now let's see what we have so far. Wait, now we have to go back to the index to HTML and do select all. Okay. And now, okay, we failed it. Let's try again. There's something wrong with it. Test.css. Okay, now we have it as a test.css. Wait, there's something wrong. Coding style for beginners. Okay, no, we're gonna delete this. Okay, delete it. Now we're gonna come up to here and do open with, open with, no, wait, we're gonna show in, no, build, no, new from template, new from template, CSS template. And now we're gonna just go here and call it test. If that's what we called it, test. Test. Okay, finish. Now we're gonna try it again and see if it works. Okay, so we're gonna go to the test. As you can see, it's already ready. So you can go background color blue and there. Okay, now, and then we're gonna come here and we're gonna make it like that. Now we're gonna do the H1 color. You can add a background image as well, but I'll show you that in the next tutorial. For it's more advanced. And then we're gonna do color red and that and that. Wait, what would I have? Okay, so let's try it out now. Okay. Yes. And that's what we have. And okay. So let's do the H1 now. Test. So it's an H1. Okay. We have that there. Now let's make it. Okay, no. H2 color blue. Now let's make it orange. Okay. And P color. Let's make it color. Let's make it gray. Okay. It's bad. Gray. Gray. I hate gray. Okay, so now let's test it out. Save changes. And I'm not sure about that, but yeah, it's supposed to work. I think let's check it out on here. Title H1. Yeah, it's supposed to work, but something wrong with mine. So anyway, now we're gonna add an image. So to add an image, you're gonna go choose a photo. I'm just gonna grab this. You're gonna copy it. Documents, Control C. Okay, copied it. Okay, so copy, and now we're gonna go to documents, Aptana Studio 3 workspace, or wherever you want to save it, but like I said, this is the easiest. And then this is what it's called, tutorial. So you go to tutorial and paste the photo here. Nice to see it. Now when you click here, it's gonna come. Yeah, like you see here. Now I'm gonna add this code in the description as well. So we're gonna go to index. Yeah, this is where I got it from. Okay, so now we're gonna go to here. Okay, now the image goes in the body as well. So this is what it is. Image and then align to center, but you don't need align to center if you don't want to. You can make it align to right, align to left, but center is the best. Or you can just go like this, and I'm gonna do that. Image source equals Fruit Soakers logo, but we don't want that photo. We want, okay, so just close it, and now we want this, so we put 2013. And then underscore 04 underscore 18 underscore 10 54 and 38 Facebook, and there you have it. It shows you it. This is what's cool about it as well. And then over here, the width, you don't need the width, but if you want like the picture to be smaller, like I'll show you in a second. So we're gonna launch it. Okay, as you see, now reverse video. Okay, so you're thinking it's too big. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna make it, let's say 800, and now we're gonna save it, and now it's much smaller. And now it's like reverse video go, yeah, so yeah. Okay, and this is the basics of the HTML. So it's always the doc type, HTML, header, title, or in the header you can edit JavaScript, but we'll add JavaScript later on how to make JavaScript. And then title, and then the link, the CSS. That's what it is, the link.real CSS. But there's another way, but to make a CSS is just way better, it's easier. And then there's a body, H1, H2, H3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, and 6. And then there's a paragraph, and there's a image. There's also the BR, which is BR or BR I think, which is like the blank to make like a space. So what we're gonna do is, like I told you, even if I put like, if I had like enter, it's still gonna be the same, even if I had that. So there's a way to make like spaces. So you go BR, yeah, and then wait, no, and then do BR again and again, and then BR. Okay, now let's check it out, and this is what happens. So as you see this paste now here, and if we remove all the BR, this is what's gonna happen. Let's remove it. Okay, now play. Yes. As you see now, this it's up a bit, but when you hit a BR, it's down there. Let's do it again. I'll show you it. And BR. BR. Now we're gonna, yes, and now that's the difference. You see it? That's the difference. That's what it does. So okay, guys, that's the basics for coding. Like I said, BR, H, header, title. Yeah. So try to remember. Don't remember the doc type. Not necessary, but you can try to remember the HTML, header, head, title, link. Oh no, the link you don't actually have to remember it, but it's actually quite important, so remember it if you want to. Most people remember it, but I don't want to remember it because I think it's just too long. Oh well, you can. I might actually remember it. And then there's a open header, closed header, body, open body, closed body, H1 closed, yeah, and ADC. BR, you don't have to do the open and close because it just space. You're not gonna type anything in between or something. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and check back for more coding tutorials or other like Minecraft. And like this video and just tell us what you want next. So this is coding in 20 minutes, and peace out, guys.